The View Capture icon has been enhanced in NC-SIML 2025 to include retaining the visibility properties that were active when it was created. Just as before, to assist you in returning to an orientation that is often visited, you can position the environment, select the icon, and stack a series of personally created views. These can be added or deleted, renamed, and even refreshed to update to the current position. Today, this includes a multitude of other items. For example, View 1 will be set in Machine View, where the stock is set to transparent, the part is visible, and the toolpath wireframes are off. View 2 will be set in Table View, with the spindle rotation active, photo rendering on, and the tool in wireframe. View 3 is back to Machine View, but with shaded model edges. The stock is in 3/4 view, tool length and radius compensations are shown, toolpath wireframes are set for a single tool, and directional arrows are active. These also correspond to when they were captured during the simulation, so the material removed will also update to the parallel point in the G-code. This combined with split screen, perspective view, and the ability to drag individual windows to multiple screens make it simple and effective to set up a work environment geared toward your personal preferences when certifying G-code in NC-SIML.